Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add text effects in Capcut. First, open the Capcut app and select New Project to get started. Then, tap on the text option at the bottom of your screen. From there, choose Add Text and simply type out what you want to say. It's a straightforward process to get your words onto the screen, setting the foundation for some cool effects. Once your text is on the timeline, tap on it to reveal the editing options. You'll see an Effects button. Tap that to explore a wide range of text effects. Capcut organizes these into different categories, making it easy to find what you're looking for. Just tap on any effect to see how it looks on your text in real time. After applying an effect, you can customize it further. Drag the ends of the text clip on the timeline to adjust its duration. You can also change the text's color, font style, and size using the available options. For an extra touch, explore the Animation tab to make your text appear, move, and disappear dynamically. To truly elevate your text, try combining different effects or using keyframes for precise control over movement and timing. Experiment with various combinations to discover unique styles that match your video's vibe. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try new things. Also, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you going strong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.